So in this lesson, we're going to talk about groups and how to set them up. This is actually one of my favorite tools in QuickBooks. So there's two ways to do groups. One, let's go ahead and get it created. So basically, group is going to take existing item codes that you've already set up in your QuickBooks, and it's going to group them together. So we're going to call this QuickBooks Pro install. So I'm going to put, this is my description, and this is where you can do two different things. So right here I'm going to do QuickBooks Pro. Here we go. QuickBooks Pro Desktop. We're going to do one of those, and then I'm going to do some labor hours. I'm going to do 1 hour of labor. Okay, so this is what the description says. Here's one example, and then I'm going to create the invoice for the client and show you what it looks like. So QB Pro Desktop install. All right, so I'm going to sell one of those, and let's preview it so you can see what the customer sees. All right, so we will preview it. I'm going to hit print and preview. All right, so the customer, all they see, they don't see what we just saw on the screen. We have the details, but they don't. So if we don't want them to see what's on the screen, we uncheck that box. So let's go back and I'll show you what it looks like when we go back to this group. Right here, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to check this box so that they will see the details in the invoice. So this is really handy on what you want the customer to see. Okay, I'm ordering one group of this QuickBooks Desktop install. I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to let you preview it. So you see what our screen looks like. The customer sees something different. Not in this case, because I asked them to show the details. So they can see all the breakout. They can see that you have the Pro Desktop, and that's got the T because it's taxable, 1 hour of support. There's your total, shows you your sales tax and your total, bam. So that's how you set up group. Whether you want the customer to see the details or not, it can still track your sales tax accordingly.